Hi guys, I've been wondering for a long time should I get this transmitter or not, and finally decided to jump for it and actually get it. So it's here. As you can see, it comes with a nice box. Let's see what's inside. So, brief instruction, most of it in Chinese. There is an English version. It explains the binding procedure and everything, so that's great. Then we have the receiver with the binding tool and some 3M tape, and then the actual transmitter. It feels quite nice. It has a foam steering wheel, so it's quite comfortable, and it will give you a really confident feel when you're using it. The throttle is again really nice. And the plastic is a bit on the cheap side but for a 20 quid transmitter you can't complain. It takes 4 AA batteries, so that's good. It's not one of these which takes 8. It's unfortunate that you can't put a LiPo inside, but it is what it is. So we have the binding button here, and we have the reverse. We have a throttle limiter, low, medium and high, a dummy antenna, the power button, auxiliary, and the trims. And that's about it. I can give you more update once I test it with my truck. Thank you very much.